How about yo? What's up, people? Thanks for tuning in to Being Mario. And today I'll be showing you guys how bright and how beautiful and stylish these LEDs are from Lasfit. Shouts out to Lasfit for sending me these products for a review. Stay tuned if you really want some value modifications for your truck. What's up, people? Thank you for tuning in to Being Mario. Just showing you a demonstration how it works. So stay tuned. Let's get started. All right. These are the Lasfit 164 LED 3000K running lights. They're very bright. These are the Lasfit switchback fog lights. Check this out. How about that? Lasfit switchback turning signal. Turns from amber to white. Really cool. Alright, now back to white. Yeah. Now, I pretty much only run these Lasfit lights in my vehicle because I've been running them for probably about 3-4 years now, and they're extremely reliable. Not had any issues whatsoever with it. And the left turn signal, really cool. Right turn signal, sequential. Alright guys, a couple of shots at nighttime. As you can see, they are extremely bright. Alright, now let's check out this interior I was telling you about. Whoa, wow. Looks like daylight in here. Look how bright they are. The Lasfit. I've tried other bulbs over the years, and these are the only one that is satisfactory to me. Super bright. The third brake light, extremely bright. License plate light, extremely bright. Yeah, so that's it. Well, thank you guys for tuning in. Oh my God, look how it illuminates the street. Incredible. All right. Oh my God, these are incredibly bright. Look how bright these switchback turn signals are. That is bright. That's one bulb. That's crazy. All right. Let's switch back. Ooh. Switch back to white. So cool. Lasfit. Okay guys, I forgot to mention, now the only con about the fog lights from Lasfit, they seem to burn your housing. And if you can see where the black smoke is. Now, I don't know if you have a newer truck or vehicle, will this do the same thing too, but this is a 06 model. These lights fit the 11th generation from 04 to 08 F-150 models. But I mean, other than that, I mean, it's really old housing, so it's really not a big deal. It really doesn't affect the light output, but that's the only thing that I notice about the fog lights. Now, this is only for the fog light housing. If you have a newer vehicle, I don't know, haven't tested it in a newer vehicle, but these are the only cons about these lights. I mean, it's not to a point where, hey, I'm not going to use these lights anymore, because I am so satisfied with these lights, the lumens output brightness, that I don't care, burn it up. It's just as long as it doesn't catch on fire. I mean, I'm cool with that, but other than that, these lights are great. You hear that humming? That's the sound from the fans cooling the LEDs. Hey, being Mario here again. If you found this video of value, please like, share, and comment. Really helps this channel out. And I'll see you on the next video. Oh, peace.